I the home of tricks. This is Xenea for omo platform no be one of the best platform omo the host to airdrop. Na o check project e be ba omo platform no so a senior one join ni bia obetimi ahwere nema pi. We are simple and one say link na description section one no be so na so abenya account e platform we see so nti the app no na ye use no. Na ne aba platform no so no ye simple. Say oba ha isi ya after say wa claim tokens na we no o hwe ase ya be hu mission na wa boso. Ubos na said over here under missions no be say omo a lot of projects e wo here Xenea for na omo host to na ohwe last one na e na new one na omo de abeka ho perception network ne icon e ko say football no and one so be boso ubos na said over here ohwe a we e 0 gem na say e new a abeka ho a enka nsu kura fe na nyina ye join ne nti unya nka achi and one so bo checking no so nti uboso na wadi kan e de acclaim first tokens no nti ubo say o refresh ya eba beka ho nti uwie na oba ase ya aba be hu quiz na waboso but before there no ma me simple ones na e wa ha ise no ti se obi ti se Twitter de na ase oboso a na okufulo omo na ase oba back a obenya 500 abeka o tokens no ho uwie another one so e wa ase ya no so ye Twitter na waboso nti eno so okufulo omo na aba back a won se na wa claim o 500 gems no abe third one no na wa claim tokens na okọ wanim nti omo Discord de o ha ya abeboso enso kokufulo omo pe na afi wa baba ko beba na tokens no ay ready nti wa claim we nyina wie no se oba top aba be hu se tokens no e ko nanim na omo 4 questions bi o ha ya e wo so solve na ultimate claim some amount of tokens nti obo start quiz na so nti ubos na said oba here first quiz no or say what does the mesh represent in the perception ecosystem? Answer na B, a swarm of AI agents connected by trust. To ubos one was submitted. So simple. Nti ukwa second one na or say how do you earn a peps in the perception network? Answer na C, by engaging with AI agents and building trust. So simple. Nti we are now our third question also. Or say what happens when you forge 2 pegs of the same tier? Answer na B, they evolve into a higher tier pegs with more benefits. Now waboso no submit it. So simple. Until last question also which of the following is not a perception unlockable? Answer na C, free coffee for life. So simple. Na odi acclaim tokens senior umpewe na apede e benti unye odi ano aye fast na wa join project no na afi wa ko claim tokens no na nyina ya share ya enjoy ya boom more updates ebe drop it nti un subscribe ya no subscribe turn bell notification on na dey at all say na be ya drop a won sabeka e ha yesu tech the home of